Pak Denim Mill, in collaboration with DEWMAK Energy, has taken a landmark step towards the clean energy and sustainability. With a commitment to reduce carbon emissions and promote the renewable solutions, they have installed a 1 megawatt solar power project at their facility. This project generates over 1.46 million units of clean electricity annually, ensuring smooth and efficient operations powered by the sun. For Pak Denim Mill, the benefits are immediate and long-term. The system delivers electricity cost savings of more than 61.32 million rupees each year, securing stability against rising energy costs and supporting stronger business growth. For the environment, the results are equally impressive. This initiative reduces 876 tons of carbon emissions annually, equivalent to planting 39,818 trees every single year, a powerful contribution to cleaner air, greener surroundings, and a healthier planet. Through this collaboration, Pak Denim Mill and DEWMAK Energy are proving that sustainable energy is not just an option, but the way forward for the industries. This project is more than just solar panels. It is a vision for progress, responsibility, and a brighter tomorrow.